लये प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठा स्यात् तत्र सर्वस्य संहृतेः सृष्टिस्थितिलया इत्थम् श्रुता प्रज्ञानहेतुकाः। Pradnyanam, the Chaitanya, Prakrishta stands for Nirupadhika, the Chaitanya free from all upadhis. All upadhis include our individual upadhi and the total upadhi of entire Jagat, including the upadhi of Ishvara. So pure Chaitanya, Pradnyanam, that is called as Pradnya Netram. Why it is called Pradnya Netram? It is Srishti Sthiti Layaha Pradnyana Hetukaha. Srishti, the birth of the entire creation, Sthiti, sustenance and existence of entire Jagat, and also Samhara, Laya of entire Jagat is on account of this Pradnyana. Without this Pradnyana, Chaitanya, Nirupadhika Chaitanya, nothing can be born, nor can it exist or get destroyed. So therefore Pradnyana Hetukaha. Same thing was explained by Shruti as Pradnyane Pratishthitam, Pradnyanetraha Lokaha, Pradnya Pratishtha. So it means Srishti, Sthiti, Laya of entire Jagat is on account of Pradnyana. How do you say that this is Pradnya Hetukaha? The Srishti, the birth, Sthiti, sustenance, existence, Laya, destruction or dissolution of entire Jagat is on account of this Pradnyana only, on account of Chaitanya only. How do you say so? Is now established with the help of an illustration. Sarvasya Pradnyana Hetukatva Sthapanaya. To prove Sarvasya of entire Jagat, Pradnyana Hetukatva Sthapanaya. Sthapanaya, to prove that everything is on account of Pradnyana. Atra here, Swapna Padartha Srishtyadi Sakshi Jiva. See, Ishvara has created the Jagat, but we also create Jagat. You know, we are also Ishvaras. I'm not joking. You know, most of you know it. But don't create right now any. So, right now if you create, daydreaming it will be. So, in dream, you Jiva create the Jagat, sustain it, and afterwards what? You become Rudra, Shiva to withdraw everything. Is it not? Now, it's a good example. The Swapna Srishti created by you or not? Your own mind only has done that, fine? But you have created, but you suffer also. If your will was there, you would have, suppose if you are volitionally created what you have created, all that is conducive, liked by you, which gives you happiness. At times you create swapnas which are horrifying, is it not? Or such a calamitous, or such thing. Who is the author? You only author, is it not? No, Swamiji, I was helpless. Why? Why I was helpless? I ate too much, therefore I got. No, look here. Food eaten also is one of the cause for dreams. Type of food also is one of the cause for dreams. Okay. No, that you can't say helpless. There you can't say helpless. But something helpless was there. Do you know what is that? Samskaras. There also totally you can't wash off your hands and helpless. But those samskaras have created your swapna drishti. So who has created? You. You are sachetana or achetana? Is it not? Now tell me, can this microphone dream? Because we are listening too much of this Vedanta. Poor fellows, they don't listen. See, how kind they are. They make you listen, but they can't listen. Why? Inert in nature. They can't dream. Inert things can never dream. But you and me can dream. Why? Chaitanya is there. Jiva is Sachetana, can dream. Srishti, Swapna, Srishti is there. Swapna, Sthiti is there. Swapna, Laya is there. Why? We Jivas are Sachetana, Chaitanya is the basis. Whereas for inert things, Chaitanya is the basis only in terms of Sat existence aspect, but not Chit aspect. Therefore, Chaitanya aspect where it is not manifest, you can't have any Srishti creation, nor birth of a creation, existence and destruction is not possible. So by Anvaya Vyatireka he demonstrates now. So that is Sarvasya Pradnyana Hetukatva Sthapanaya Atra Swapna Padartha Srishtyadi Sakshi Jivaha. Whereas Jagat Srishtyadi Sakshi Brahma Chaitanyam. Swapna Padartha Srishtyadi Sakshi who? Jivaha Sachetanaha. Whereas Jagat Srishtyadi Sakshi Brahma Chaitanyam. Iti Sahetukam Nirupayati. So with the help of the reasoning he is now proving. Swapna Srishti Sthiti Layaha Jiva Chaitanya Sakshikaha Nirjiva Stambha Kudyadau Swapna Srishtyadayo Nahi. Swapna Srishti Sthiti Layaha Jiva Chaitanya Sakshikaha Swapna Srishtyadayaha Nirjiva Stamba Kudyadau Nahi Ad Drishyanti. Swapna Srishti Sthiti Layaha means Swapna Srishti, Swapna Sthiti, Swapna Laya. Swapna Srishti is what? Creation of the dream. Swapna Sthiti, continuance, existence of the dream. Swapnalaya, termination, ending of the dream. These all Jiva Chaitanya Sakshikaha. All these are made known by who? Chaitanya. What level? At individual Jiva level. Individual Jiva level, what do you mean by? Conditioned, limited, parichinna, by individual upadhi, our jiva upadhi. So that Chaitanya available as jiva upadhi like pot space, that makes us know now the swapna has started, it is going on, it is ended. Means experience of all this, it makes us know. Whereas this is Anvaya. Anvaya is what? Where Chaitanya is there, Swapna Srishti, Swapna Sthiti, Swapna Laya are experienced known. Where Chaitanya is means Chit aspect is not manifest, you can't say Chaitanya is not there. Chaitanya is everywhere, but the Chit aspect is not manifest where? Says now Vyatireka. Swapna Srishtyadayaha Nirjiva Stamba Kudyadau Nahi Drishyanti. The beginning of Swapna, continuance of Swapna, termination of Swapna are not seen. Where are they not seen? Nirjiva Stambha Kudyadau. Stambha means post or a stump of a tree. Kudya is what? This wall. We can take microphone, etc. So, in the why they are nirjiva. Nirjiva means without sentiency, achetana, jada in nature. These are not seen. This shows a rule where Sakshi Chaitanya is available. This Srishti, Sthiti, Laya of Swapna is possible. When they are not there, it is not there. What is true for Swapna is for entire Jagat. Jagat Srishti Laya Brahma. Jagat Srishti Sthiti Laya Brahma Chaitanya Sakshikaha Brahma Chaitanya Rahite Vandhya Putrena Santihi Tantite. First line as it is. Jagat Srishti, Jagat Sthiti, Jagat Layaha. No. Brahma Chaitanya Sakshikaha. Te Brahma Chaitanya Rahite Vandhya Putre Na Santi. The birth of the Jagat Srishti, the sustenance and the existence of Jagat, Jagat Sthiti, Jagat Laya, destruction, dissolution of the Jagat, these Brahma Chaitanya Sakshikaha. So Anvaya, wherever Brahma Chaitanya is there, it should be there. It is, these are there, like Swapna Srishti, Sthiti Laya, Jiva Chaitanya Saksha. Vyatireka now, this is Anvaya. Te means what? Jagat Srishti Sthiti Layaha Brahma Chaitanya Rahite Vandhya Putri. A son of a barren woman means a non-existing entity where there is no Brahma Chaitanya. Na Santi. Jagat Srishti, Jagat Sthiti, Jagat Laya are not there. Wherever Chaitanya is there what happens? Jagat Srishti, Sthiti, Laya take place. In this manner, the second prashna is now determined. What was the second prashna posed in the second question posed in the Shruti? Kataraha saha atma. So that Kataraha saha atma iti prashnasya answer is this. Jagat Srishtyadyadhishtanam. Adhisthana of Jagat Srishti Adi. Srishti Adi means Jagat Srishti, Jagat Sthiti, Jagat Daya. What is that? Namely, Advayam Shuddha Chaitanyam, called Prajnana. Advayam Shuddha Chaitanyam. And itself is Paramatma Swarupam. Itself is Paramatma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa, iti Nirnaya. So this is the Nirnaya. And this itself is the meaning or the ascertainment of Tatpada. In Mahavak, earlier Jiva Vastava Swarupa is what? Tvampada. Now here it is Tatpada, the basis of entire creation. Here is the ascertainment that Adhisthana is Advaya Shuddha Chaitanya, Paramatma Swarupa, itself is Prajnana. Jagat Srishtyadyadhishtanam Shuddha Chaitanyam Advayam Paramatma Swarupam Syad Iti Tasyatra Nirnayaha Jagat Srishtyadyadhishtanam Advayam Shuddha Chaitanyam Paramatma Swarupam Syat Iti Atra Tasya Nirnayaha Iti Atra Tasya Nirnayaha. Jagat Srishtya Adhishthana. Adhishthana, the basis of Jagat Srishti Adi, means of Jagat Srishti, Jagat Sthiti and Jagat Laya. So Jagat Srishtyadehe Adhishthana. The basis Adhishthana of Jagat Srishti, Sthiti and Laya. What is it? Advayam Shuddha Chaitanyam. So the non-dual Shuddha Chaitanya. Chaitanya itself alone is Jagat, appears to be, whatever Jagat that appears is false in nature. So this Advayam Shuddha Chaitanyam itself is Paramatma Swarupam. That itself is Paramatma Swarupa. Why it is Paramatma Swarupa? Basis of entire Jagat. syad iti so iti atra here in this analysis so far conducted tasya nirnayaha. Tasya means of that prashna. What prashna tasya means? Kataraha saha atma iti prashnasya. That question, who among these is Atma? What is that who among? What is that among? Whether Mayavi or Shuddha Chaitanya, that was before the creation. What is the Paramatma now? That Advaya Shuddha Chaitanya, that was before the creation itself is Paramatma, Brahma, the basis of entire creation. That is the Nirnaya. So having, and this itself is Tat Padartha Nirnaya, ascertainment of Tat Pada. Earlier, Jivasya Vastava Swarupam Prajnanam was shown. What was that? Ascertainment of Tvam Pada. So, Tvam Pada is nothing but Prajnanam. Tat Pada is nothing but Advaya Shuddha Chaitanyam, Prajnanam. Tat and Tvam are what? One and the same. Shruti says, Prajnanam Brahma. Final one. Final statement of that Shruti. We have seen Prajnanetram, etc. After that, Prajnanam Brahma. This Mahavakya is now explained. Mahavakya means Akhandartha Bodhaka Vakya. The statements of the Shruti Upanishad which reveal the oneness of our nature and nature of Ishvara or the basis of Jagat. So Tattvam are one and the same. That is what is called Akhandartha Bodhaka Vakya is Mahavakya. Yat prajnanam swatma rupam tad brahmeti vibudhyatam prajnanam brahma vidnyaya tishtet prajnatmana sada. Yat swatma rupam prajnanam tad brahma iti vibudhyatam. Tad brahma iti vibudhyatam. Prajnanam brahma add iti vidnyaya sada prajnatmana tishte. Sada prajnatmana tishte. Yat prajnanam swatma rupam. Whatever that is prajnana, which is swatma rupa. Swatma rupa means one's own true nature, the true nature of Jiva. Stanza 96. Prajnanam kartra dehadi sakshi bhutam yadasti tat. Jivasya vastavam rupam ittevam nirnayo bhavet. Jivasya vastava rupa is nothing but this prajnana, which is the sakshi of karta, karana, deha, adi. That prajnanam swatma rupam jivasya vastava swarupam tad brahmeti vibudhyata. Know itself to be what? Brahma. On account of individual upadhi appears as Jiva, but itself is Brahma only. Part space, space only because of part upadhi appears as little part space, itself is total space. So tad brahmeti vibudhitam. That is what Mahavakya says, prajnanam brahma. So that's why I say, now what is to be done? ठीक है, prajnanam brahma. This is to be done. Prajnanam brahma iti vidnyaya. Vidnyaya. How this word has come? Come on. What is the verb and what is the prefix there? Huh? Vi plus nya. I not ask you. You simply tell me what is the prefix and what is the verb. Nya janati, to know. Plus vi. Okay? The weather is that we. The we is there. So, and here how it has come? What participle it is? Actually, remove we. Jna becomes, it is tva pratyaya. Jnatva, having known. Actually, jna plus tva, having known. Gatva, having gone. Bhuktva, having eaten. Stitva, having stood. Tva pratyaya. But when this tva pratyaya the verb has got a prefix, it becomes that tva becomes, that is what? Labanta, it becomes vidnyaya. It becomes ya, vidnyaya. You can't say vidnyatva. It is grammar. Actually it is vidnyatva only, having, we will see afterwards. But because of the vi prefix, it has become vidnyaya. Fine? Now what meaning does that vi give? What do you mean by vishesha? Knowing can be two ways. Picking up some information and direct cognition. So Sadatta said, somebody said, consider you have not eaten sugar in your lifetime. And you are told by many, sugar is sweet, and you should see their facial expression. How all delightful expression. Sugar is sweet. Now you know what you know now. Sugar is sweet and something delightful because you see the faces of all these people. And delightful, etc. Everyone says that way. So you know it delightful and you have something sweet, but still you don't know what actually the taste of sugar is. What you have to do? You have to eat. Then you there is sakshat. You know it, sakshat means directly. So therefore, vijna means sakshatkara. Actually, jna itself is sufficient. But at times this word, like jnanam teham pravakshami savidnyanam, jnanam teham savidnyanam pravikshami. I will tell you knowledge with the vijnana. Why? Jnana for information from the Shastra, vijnana direct cognition. Otherwise, jnana itself should mean what? Direct cognition. But in Vyavahara, when the word is used, there is possibility of taking it to where some information are short of the direct cognition, not to take any chance. What is I should say? Vijnaya means sakshat kritya, having directly cognized. Then what should be done? Sada prajnatmana tishthe. Always one should remain in the swarupa of prajnana. Prajnatmana means prajna swarupena. So look, here two things are involved. First to do this and then do this. Or having done this, somebody did this. That's why tva pratyaya shows first something is done and afterward something else is done. Mr. X, the participant of this camp, I don't name, having eaten the breakfast, went to the market without permission of Swamiji. Having eaten, what is that? Bhuktva, tva pratyaya. But one verb. Other verb action is there. Went to the market. Now, having eaten the breakfast, that action is what? First. And then went to the market is the second one. So here also, Vidnyaya, having directly cognized what? Prajnanam Brahma. Thereafter, what is that? Sada, always, Prajnatmana Tishthe. Remains in the Swarupa of Prajnana. Question is, who remains? How remains? Jiva. How can? You can say, having eaten, went to market, you can say, who? Mr. So and so. But here you can't say. Do you know why? What is said is, Prajnatmana. Prajnatmana means what? Pradnya Swarupena, remains in the form of Pradnyanam. Now tell me, earlier he was not in the... Earlier was he remaining in the form of Pradnyana? No, now remains. Can it be for Pradnyana itself? Pradnyana is Chaitanya, Nirupadhika Chaitanya, free from change, avikriya, all the time what? One and the same. There is no occasion. Earlier it was not so, afterwards it became so, is not there. Then someone is there who was not earlier so, now became so. What it can be? Come on. It has to be the antakarana vritti which has assumed the pradnyana swarupa. Earlier it was not there. Now it has assumed and it continues to remain. Yes or no? Otherwise, Pradnyana Nirupadhika Chaitanya has no state. This speaks of some state. Earlier it was not there. Again, Vidnyaya is there. Having directly cognized, Ajnana was there earlier. Now directly cognized. Directly cognized means there also what has to be there? Antakarana vritti assuming the Pradnyana Swarupa must be there, but it was not steady. There was no nishtha. After we did nididhyasana, etc., and now what has happened? That antakarana vritti has become steady, and therefore what? This individual jiva now remains in what Swarupa? Pradnyana Swarupena. This will be more clear because, so that is, the next stanza shows Sthita Pradnyaha. Because Pradnyana can have Sthita means Sthira. Sthitatva, Asthitatva, Sthiratva, Asthiratva for Pradnyana, not there. But the Buddhi, Antakarana, mind, Vritti has got it, will be clear. Now, how this Antakarana, Vritti assumes the form of Pradnyanam? How is it possible? Look, Pradnyanam is what? Chaitanya. Shuddha means Nirupadhika. Antakarana or Antakarana vritti is what? Nirupadhi or itself is Upadhi. Upadhi. However, Upadhi of some other category can assume, take the form of Brahma, Pradnyana, which is free from Upadhi. Is it ever possible? How is it possible? Possible or not?
Yes.
Because that Antakarana is designed that way. It is constituted of such a thing that it is possible. How? It assumes the akara of Pradnyana without itself being felt or interfering. Not difficult. Every day you do it. Today also you are done. You see your face in the mirror. The mirror reflects whatever that is in front of it. But while reflecting, does it interfere in terms of the form of the thing seen in front? Actually, mirror doesn't make its presence felt at all. See, for example, on the mirror there are dark spots and you see your face. What will happen? Those dark spots may appear on your face. But that means something is there. But mirror itself doesn't appear as part and parcel of your face, does it? Then what you have to do? You have to do then the negation. No, neti you have to do. Oh mind, this is my face minus the mirror. Do you do that? No. Because it just simply present our face as it is without making felt its presence as mirror. It doesn't interfere with the form of the object that is in front of it and gives the exact replica of the form of the object that is in front of it. That capacity who has got? Antakarna has got. Swamiji is very easy then. Why don't we get now? What can we do? You have made that mirror called mind so rubbish, not simply dust, all greasy matter. You know. So that means our present mind is like a mirror, so dirtied, not simple dust or anything, at least you can just clean it, cleanly wipe out. Like a tarred muck is there. So what is to be done now? What is to be done? You have to, that means now cleanse it. You have to cleanse it. So that is why Vedanta, like a granny, repeatedly tells what? Take two, sadhana chatushtaya, sampatti. Take two, what? Drita, kshaya. Take two, chitta, upa means to take, have, chitta, naishchalya. Prepare, you should have shuddha antakarna, develop the amanitvadi values. So many things. Why? To make the mind a fit instrument to present exactly what the Chaitanya Atma Sarupa is. That takes time. If we had done in the past lives, it may just like that. Otherwise, we have to struggle. How long should not be the question, because that is the goal. If any other alternative shortcut methods were there, Swamiji, I think bhakti is shortcut. Huh? But we don't know what bhakti is, therefore we think it is easy. Bhakti. Kleshodhikatarastesham avyakta sakta chetasam. Lord Krishna says in the 12th chapter. Avyakta sakta chetasam adhikataraha klesha. Those who want to appreciate the nirguna Brahma Sarupa Prajnanam, more difficult. Means what earlier bhakti was told. For them also is what? Klesha is there. Bhagwan knows even in bhakti what is there? Klesha is there. We think bhakti, there is no klesha. Do you know why? We think bhakti means keeping all our idiocy as it is, without viveka, without vairagya, keeping all idiosyncrasies, foolishness as it is. Little thoda bhajan idhar, thoda what, sing some this thing, go to some pilgrimage center, go to some temple, etc. Kaam ho gaya. This is required, okay? It is not to be given, it is required in the initial stages, but it is only sadhana and not sadhya bhakti. Sadhya bhakti, perfect vairagya is required. Without that, sadhya bhakti is not possible. Gopis, they may look as ordinary women folk. How much vairagya was there? Do you know that? Everything, nothing but Krishna. Krishna. Without Krishna, they don't know anything at all. The mind is totally absorbed. Mirabai, nothing other than Krishna is known. That is what bhakti is. That leads to the disposition by which to gain knowledge is just like a amalaka on the hasta, like a berry on the hand, you can just straight away swallow it. So that being the case. So prajnatmana sada tishti, vidnyaya, having got direct knowledge, so sada always prajnatmana, prajna swarupena. So this is what we told now, that one has to become sthita prajna. जीवन्नेव स्थित प्रज्ञः मुक्तः स्याद्वामदेववत् म्रियतां यत्र तत्रास्य वपुः सोऽयं न जायते। स्थित प्रज्ञः जीवन्नेव मुक्तः स्यात्। मुक्तः स्यात्। अस्य वपुः यत्र तत्र एड वा म्रियताम्। अस्य वपुः यत्र तत्र वा म्रियताम्। सः अयं वामदेववत् न जायते। सः अयं वामदेववत् न जायते. This shloka gives the meaning of the Shruti. Sa etena prajnenatmana asmalokad utkramya amushmin svarge loke sarvan kaman aptva amrutaha samabhavat. Last mantra. Saha etena prajnanatmana prajnenatmana Prajnanatmana means by this saha, Vamadevaha, by this, that is by gaining this knowledge, oneself as Prajnanam Brahma Swarupa, Asmal Lokad Utkrimya, having got rid of the identification with the embodiment and rising above this loka means having given up the identity with the embodiment. Amushmin Svarge Loki, Svarga Loka here stands for Paramatma Swarupa, Atma Swarupa and not heaven. The context is not so. And earlier also why Svarga it was called, we have seen. Sarvan Kaman Aptva, having discovered oneself to be Paramanda Swarupa. Amrutaha Samabhavat, became immortal because Chit Swarupa, Atma, has no marana, which is Prana Viyoga. So that is told here. Sthita Prajnaha. So he became now Sthita Prajna. Who is Sthita Prajna? Sthita Prajna Yasya Saha. And what is Sthita? Sthira. Sthita means Sthira Prajna Yasya Saha. Sthita Prajna or Sthira Prajna. The one whose Prajna, the cognition of Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa is Sthira means when it can be Sthira? That vritti which has become Atmakara, Brahmakara, Akhandakara, which was steady now, not coming, going, that is what Jnana Nishtha, Sthira Prajna. So, what is that Sthira Prajnatva? There, this definition is given, what that vritti which makes one discover one's Swarupa. In Vivek Chudamani 428 stanza, same thing, it is taken from Adhyatma Upanishad. ब्रह्मात्मनो शोधितयोः एक भावावगाहिनी निर्विकल्पा च चिन्मात्रा वृत्तिः प्रज्ञा इति कथ्यते. ब्रह्मात्मनोः शोधितयोः ब्रह्मात्मनोः, of both Brahma and Atma at Ishvara level and Jiva level, shodhita, purified. What do you mean by purified? Upadhis discarded. From Brahma, that is Brahma means Brahma is the Jagat Adhisthana, Ishvara the Maya Upadhi, discarded. Jiva Avidya Upadhi, discarded. So what remains is Pradnyanam only. That is what Shodhitayoho, Brahmatmanoho Shodhitayoho. Eka Bhavavagahini, a vritti, which is Eka Bhavavagahini, means fully pervaded or absorbed in cognition of only Eka Bhava. What is the Eka Bhava? Advaya Swarupa of Pradnyana Shuddha Chaitanya. That's why it's a Eka Bhava Gayani. Again, what is the nature? Nirvikalpa, no bheda at all. I am appreciating this, no such distinction. Nirvikalpa cha. And what is its nature? Chinmatra vritti. That vritti is nothing but Chinmatra. Just as a red hot iron ball is nothing but fire. Nothing but fire. It's so red hot. Like that, iron is there. Iron is there. But it is nothing, it is so hot it is nothing but fire. So also, vritti is there, means antakarana, vritti locus is there. But its swarupa is what? Nature is what? Nothing but Chaitanya only. What is meant by Chaitanya only? No other specific nama rupa vrittis are there. The adhyastha, particular type of vrittis corresponding to the jagat or vishayas are not there, and it has become just of the akara of Atma. Chinmatra vritti, that is what is called pradnya. Sthita pradnya means one whose pradnya is sthita or sthira. And what is pradnya? This vritti, antakarana vritti, which is exactly like Chaitanya Swarupa. No intermingling of any other vritti having a particular name or form. So that is sthira, sthita, in whom is called sthita pradnya or sthira pradnya. So sthita pradnya jivanneva, here itself while living, muktaha sya, mukta, even did not wait for videha mukti. Right now here mukta, because he is so much absorbed in the Swarupa, not aware of the body, not aware of the jagat. Even if any limitations on account that, so long as that mind is absorbed, what? He is not aware. Prarabdha vashat, when he is aware, little things will be there, but at the backdrop that his Swarupa is there, that false nature of jagat becomes very clear, it becomes crystal clear to him. So mukta hasya. Now one may say, maybe he is mukta, but if he meets with a bad death, what will happen? You know? So that concept is that one should have a good death, means at a holy place, at a holy time, everything is there, no? So that is there. That is for ajnanis, not for this person. Anywhere he may die, at any time he may die, in any mode of death he may die. Already muktaha says. Therefore he says further, asya vapuhu. Asya means asya muktasya vapuhu. Of this person who is already free from samsara, his body, yatra tatra va mriyatam. Let it die here or there. Means there is no specific place, etc., holy place, etc. required, not yatra tatra va. Jaleva sthaleva, Vivek Chudamani says. Shapachas tirtha kshetreva, shapachasya griheva. Who says Paramartha Sara is there. Paramartha Sara by Adishesha written. It's a very interesting thing. So there it is said, let him die anywhere. Jaleva, Sthaleva, somebody added Akasheva also. Because this fellow was flying, air crash. So whatever it may be, the mode of death doesn't count to this Nasthita Pradnya. For others it counts. So that is how the Mriyatam, Tatrava, Mriyatam, Sahayam. Sahayam is what? Muktaha, now Mrutaha. already freed from, but now mrita. How can mukta mrita? Body, okay, body was there. Other Pradnyanatma has got marana. End of everything afterwards. If Pradnyanatma has got, it is a Amrita Swarupa. So that is Saha Ayam. The one who was earlier Muktaha, now the body also is cast off because Prarabdha is over Mritaha. So like whom? Vamadeva was example. Because that was the illustration or the example discussed. Like Vamadeva was Na Jayati, is not born again. That is what Vimuktascha Vimuchyate. Ihaiva samaviliyante pranaha Vimuktascha Vimuchyate. So he was liberated here, Jivan Mukta, he is called Jivan Mukta. Now the body, that Prarabdha is over, body also is disintegrated, Vimuchyate. So with this, the author concludes, Aitareya Brahma Vidyam Vyakyatam Sangrahadimam Sustiram Anugrinhatu Vidyatirtha Maheshwaraha Vidyatirtha Maheshwaraha Sangrahad Vyakyatam Imam Aitareya Brahma Vidyam Sustiram Anugrinhatu. Sustiram Anugrinhatu. Vidyatirtha Maheshwaraha. The Maheshwara, who is Vidyatirtha, Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva, Maheshwara, Lord Shiva, who is called Vidyatirtha because Tirtha means a place. One who is the abode of all Vidyas. All Vidyas originate from Lord Himself. So Lord, again as a Shiva also they say, Jnanam Maheshwaradichet. Arogyam Bhaskaradichit. You know that? Arogyam Bhaskaradichit. If you want health, do Upasana of Surya, sun. If you want knowledge, Jnanam Maheshwaradichet. Maheshwaradichet. Oh, Vishnu, Krishna are not capable of giving. Not that way. There is a way of this thing. Possibly like this. Have you seen picture of Lord Shiva? How many ornaments he has got, jewelry, etc. What he is wearing? Some tiger skin or elephant skin. And round the neck and the arm, what are those? Snakes. You can't go near also, is it? It says, once Garuda went there, because Vishnu sent some message, he went. He went, Lord Shiva, and he was telling, this fellow started hissing. Who? Snakes. Fellows come out, I will tell you. Garuda said, just come out because they just come out. Garuda, know what is the Garuda and snakes relation, you know. Just come out, I will show you. Because they know he can't do anything when they are on the body of Lord Shiva. So that is, now Shiva and body is smeared with ashes, remaining where? Smashana Bhumi, Parama Vairagya. If you go to Vishnu, seeing that, I think that necklace I should have it. Not that way, that is not thing. It's just a name is Vairagya. Gita given by who? Krishna. So that is not, such thing should not be there. With Paramatma Swarupa. Jnanam, but it's a way of, it's only a custom that is prevailing, that's okay. So that if you take Vishnu Purana and Shiva Purana, will interesting thing. Shiva Purana, Shiva is exalted and Vishnu invokes whom? Shiva. And Vishnu Purana, Vishnu is exalted, Shiva invokes Vishnu. Perfect heavenly diplomacy of not rubbing each other. So, to show Shiva and Vishnu are one and the same. This silly horizontal strips and vertical strip quarrel is a sign of idiocy, okay? It should not be. Otherwise, Shaivites and Vaishnavites know that is there. Some Orthodox people, see, Vaishnavites, in the olden, nowadays washing machines have come. In the olden days, saris, dhotis, that on a stone, slab of a flat stone, they used to hit it. While hitting, that sound comes with the force. These fellows will not, it's similar to Shiva. These fanatic Vaishnavites will not say shh, because it is Shiva as such. So, Shastra says you stick to one name and one form to have the depth of your upasana. That doesn't mean like this quarreling between this, etc. That is not the thing at all. So that's a sign of ignorance. Anyway, so here, Vidyatirtha Maheshwaraha, Lord Shiva, who is the abode of all, he says, Sangrahad, what is it? He asks for prayer now. May he bless us all like this. Sangrahad Vyakhyatam Imam Aitareya Brahma Vidyam. This Brahma Vidya, what is that? Where it is there? Aitareya. So Aitareya Upanishad, whatever Brahma Vidya that was there is Aitareya Upanishad, which what I have done? Vyakhyata. How I have Vyakhyata? Sangraha. Because that Bhashya also is there. Sangraha. Briefly I have commented. So that Brahma Vidya, Susthiram Anugrannatu. May he bless me. How? Susthiram. What is a Sustira? It is the adverb. How? That is, Yatha Sustira Bhavati Tatha Anugrinnatu. May he bless me in this way that this Aitareya Brahma Vidya becomes Sustira. That means totally, deeply rooted in me, means I get Nishtha in this Brahma Vidya. That way, may he bless me with like this. Means what it means is, this Brahma Vidya Sustira Bhavatu. For me means not simply author, but also the student. So, for me, let this be well rooted, means may I get Nishtha in this Brahma Vidya iti. That is, so Vidyatirtha Maheshwaraha Anugrinnatu is the prayer. So, may Vidyatirtha Maheshwara, Lord Shiva, may he bless me in such a way that my Brahma Vidya becomes what? Sustira, means I become who now? Sthita Pradnyaha. Sthira Pradnyaha. So may he bless me. Why that again prayer? You are Pradnyanam Brahma, no? Why you want blessing? Pratibandhas can be there. So Pratibandhas are there. Why can be there? Are there. So they need to be warded off. I need the grace of Lord. So therefore, that's how I should. That means that Nishtha in the knowledge I should get. So the prayer to the Lord. In this way. So that is first, what prakarana it was? Adhyaropa prakarana. Atma vaidamagra asit. But I can't, because it is ashabdam, asparsham, arupam, avyayam, cannot be perceived nor a object of the mind. Adhyaropa. So thus Jagat was superimposed. What for? Apavada prakarana. To negate. Why did you superimpose and negate? What remains is Atma Sarupa, Chaitanya Sarupa. So teaching was over. For whom? Uttamadhikaris, who had the perfect ready frame of the mind. For Manda Madhyamadhikari, Vairagya Prakarana started. And in Vairagya Prakarana, the defect of Janma was pointed out. So other things are Vyadhi, etc. Their defect, doshas are clear. And with such a Vairagya, Virakta gains the Atmadhyana, Brahmadhyana. Demonstrated in whose case? Vamadeva. Then the Mimamsa, an analysis as to what is the Jiva's Vasta Swarupa, what is the basis of the entire Jagat? Brahma. Both are one and the same. Pradnyanam only. So how can we miss Pradnyanam now? Swamiji, I have not understood anything. Very good. At least you know that you are not understood or not. That because of what? Prajnanam. Not a single moment in life we can interact with the world, have vyavahara without prajnana. However troublesome things may be there, even the troubles, suffering the trouble is because of what? Vijnana. Ha ha, hu also what? Because of prajnana. Dullness also, sleeping also, prajnana. Laughing also, prajnana. Ayyo, tomorrow we have to return. That also is what? Prajnana. Kshine punne bambayam vishanti. So that also, that anguish also is what? 10 days were very nice. How nice it would have been. So that is also is because of what? Prajnana. But Swamiji, difficult that how to get that Sita Prajnatva, difficult, that also is Prajnanam. Meditation is very nice here, but moment we go back, we can't do, that also is Prajnanam. Everything is Prajnanam. At least bring that Prajnanam. I told you. No? Like, make Bhagwan 1 naya paisa partner in your life. He is very pakka. Afterwards you will not have share at all. Everything will be his only. Like that, now, in and through our all life as it is, bring in the factor which is prajnanam. Don't. It is not some psychotherapy, okay? It is the detecting, means cognizing the fact which you have ignored so far. Bring in that. Then more and more other things will get relegated. That will assume what remains afterwards is prajnanam brahma.